paano ko nagawang pagsabayin ang pag-aaral at pagtatrabaho because it's really challenging. Kung iisa-isahin natin yung mga challenges and problem na dinanas ko bilang isang working student. So talagang napakarami. So number one there is the lack of time. You need na pagsabayin ang pagiging isang estudyante and pagiging isang trabahador. So I am also the pioneer of McDonald's Yupang. We are the first crew na nag-serve sa McDonald's University of Pangasinan. So by that, I continued being a working student and then pumapasok ako sa school from 7:30 to 4:30 p.m. And then, nagtatrabaho ako from 5 p.m. to 12 midnight. So, walang time to socialize, walang time kahit sa family kasi sa bahay, matutulog na lang because you need to go to school by around 6:30 a.m. Kailangan nang umalis and uuwi ka hating gabi na because you have your work. Actually, in our family, we are 10. 10 kaming magkakapatid. And I am the youngest. And then the norm kasi is, kami, yung siyam na kuya't ate ko, pagkatapos nila nung high school, hindi na sila nag-college. So after high school, sinabi ko na magka-college ako. So that's why nag-enroll ako sa Yupang. And then by enrolling in Yupang, I know na maraming challenges ang kakaharapin. Malaking tulong talaga ang hawak kamay scholarship na binigay ng Yupang sa akin. Sa awa ng Diyos, I graduated here in FINMA Yupang. Una, pagkatiwalaan mo ang iyong sarili at huwag hahayaang mawalan ng kumpiyansa sa iyong pangarap. Pangalawa, lagi mong tatandaan na kapag may tiyaga, lagit-lagi meron kang mapapala. At pangatlo, lagi mong tatandaan na meron kang karamay at meron kang kasama.